the other side. Now another thing, very hard. Exactly. So on top of it, you can shortly spread the asphalt. Okay. Then we divert the traffic to the center. Okay. And then we can move on the other lane, on the old lane, but it will be much easier because there will be no traffic at all. And no
because
rain.
by the time you are done with this, the traffic will be diverted.
Exactly, diverted here. And then I can move freely. I will start with this lane because there is a lot of traffic on this one, much more. In the morning, there is a lot of hold-up on this side. So this is why I want to start with this. And as I showed you, this is practically will be a dead lane. Sorry, dead lane that will come from there. And then again, we are talking about 12-meter width. Is more, almost 3 times than what we have now on ground.
Okay.
So imagine that. The traffic will flow.
Yeah,
I have no doubts about it.
That's true.
Yes, so that
This is commendable.
Yes.
But you must expedite action.
Yes, we will, madam.
You cannot, for a very long time hold the road to this as well.
Yes.
And this is very important, especially to the commuters. This links Wari, the city center. People from Kaduna also can divert and use this lane. Also decongest, the service on the other lane. Besides, now that the rain is subsiding, you have enough time to do it. So what time am I looking at if I'm telling you?
I think it is between 4 to 5 months final completion. That is the target. Of course, in several weeks, in several weeks you will start to see the change because again it will be several weeks of dry season, which is completely different.
I will be visiting here again.
You are very welcome.
Watch on you.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you.